Hi gang, this is Poppy Unboxes a pepper grinder. Yeah, I'm that desperate for creating content that I'm gonna make a video unboxing a pepper grinder. Actually, it's rather an interesting one. Here's the box it come in. You see that exploded view, it's spring loaded. Oh, nice stainless steel and clear plastic. Here, let me turn it this way. Okay, you see that funnel-shaped indentation leading to the hole. Here, the plunger, you notice it's knurled. It acts like the radula of a snail or a slug. Radula, it's a sort of a toothed tongue, like a rasp. And the way this works, pretty good. However, if you want to get the coarse cracked pepper out of your big peppermill for days and days, this is not your pepper grinder. This gives you medium to fine, and it don't hold a lot, but it's so cute and it works.